welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the Dark Live channel, and also welcome to a banger Dark Live episode. Well, viewers, me make this a video from about 4 days now, guys. I can't get it posted because we're not on the current. I'm current from Wednesday about Wednesday evening. No current in that place, viewers. Most of the light post them brought down. Most likely when I get my current until about next week, Monday or Tuesday, because they have enough work to do on the light post them, viewers. Enough work. So my battery dead from Wednesday. So I couldn't get edit the video and post it. I just get my battery charge a while ago, guys. At my workplace. Yeah, man. But guys, as you see thumbnail, yeah, man, pass through the storm. Yeah, man, I can say the storm passed through us. Yeah, man, you know, give it the full tilt still, but my community have a couple of damage well, you understand? Enough light post brought down, enough tree brought down same way, enough shop top blow off same way, guys. But we have life, nobody no lose them life and nobody not get no injury and so. Give thanks to that, guys. Yeah, man, give thanks to that. Yeah, man, God night as usual, always. Yeah. No for the parish get worse than Mantico be still, you know? Yeah, no for the parish get worse, but just want to ask that if I help them same way. Shoot, it was kind of easy, you know? Not easy at all, guys. Yeah, man, that's me. I say, guys, me have a couple clips in my phone. I go edit now and post. I couldn't see a part of the storm. As me as some battery dead after a while. You see me? So what I could go now, guys, and watch how I'm going. So like up the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment in the comment section same way. That dive, woo, outside. We outside, viewers, we outside. See you guys in the video. Of course, proper. Well, guys, this is how it's looking now. Yeah, a little bit calm, but you can feel a little bit breeze same way. Yeah, man, just hopefully everyone stay safe. Yeah, man, don't know, go look after still. All these trees are standing same way. I have some neighbors still have prepared themselves same way. Nailing down them roof. Yeah, in my community, most people have like slab roof. Yeah, otherwise called concrete roof. Yeah, man, breadfruit tree them up same way, viewers. Just hope them stay the same way. Yeah, man, coconut tree them up same way, guys. Yeah. Just a little bit of breeze blowing now, viewers. As me telling you, say, yeah, man, everything is standing right now. Everything. All my coconut trees are still standing, guys. But this roof is my sister's roof. As you can see, actually lay some blocks on it. Hopefully we want tight down in the idea same way, you see me? Yeah, sorry now. Get for blow off. I try for you blow off same way. Yeah, man, my neighbor was down the same way, guys. I'm sure now. Show now what I go on. Yeah. Them tight down yesterday with some little fine wire still. And put some black on the house top. Here, guys. Go to wait and see guys and see after the storm pass. Yeah man, see the after effect. After effect and so. Coconut tree swaying. That's why I ask God for God and protect all of us guys. Yeah, man, that's why God and protect all of us. It ain't gonna be pretty though. Yeah man, ain't gonna be pretty guys. These are all fruit trees guys, all fruit trees. Right around. Right around. Yeah guys, it's all green and beautiful. As me I said, just hope it stay same way it was. Yeah, just hope it stay same way. This is my little Nissan La car guys. It's gonna stay here throughout the storm. As you can see, it's parked underneath a tree. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my car. My car is parked now. My car is parked right around here, guys. Right around here. Beside this old house. Yeah. You have a avocado tree right over right here. And then you have another big tree. See that, viewers? And a big tree. If this tree if you fall this way, it will fall right in the car. Don't know when I can move the car and put it on in the idea, guys. Don't know where, but feel like I want to move it. I don't think it's like safe right here. Don't think it's safe. This is the whole house, guys. Just hope it stays same way. Yeah. Hope it stays same way. Dogs them out same way, guys. Yeah, guys, the rain just start. Yeah, man, rain just starting now, viewers. Be here with the viewers.
Are you ready?
I know, guys. This tank is empty, so we take it off for the house stop. Yeah. You can sit down there though. Take it off for the house stop, guys.
Go.
Still calm, viewers, still calm. Yeah, man, but the rain just along now. Some of those all these viewers are zinc roofs, as you can see. Yeah, man, just let them stay on though. Raining, guys, raining. Yes, Agwan.
Okay, guys, we're reporting live right now about 10:30 in the morning. This is about 2 minutes before the storm, guys. Are you ready?
Mount Carey, St. James.
Mount Carey, St. James in the hills of Yorkbush. Okay, we're going to show you this disaster during and after.
After, yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Active. Raining. We're picking up, guys. picking up. These are my pepper trees. Yeah man, don't think they are gonna be here after the storm. And they are even bearing right now, guys. Bearing peppers on them. Father God, please spare us here in Jamaica. We're begging you. Well, it start right now. Although we can still see a few clear spot in the skies. But here's a blow, guys. They go and go up on the outside yet though. Yeah guys, storm has officially started. Wow. So guys, right now guys, like I'm blowing away. It's blowing guys. Look at those coconut trees. Woohoo! Yes guys, I'm home on my house stop for now, just for now. Because it just started now. I want to give you guys a few clips before I go in and lock down. Of course. Blowing. Yes guys. Eh? Storm is on. Wow. That was hard. That was hard, guys. That was hard. Wow. Just be safe out there, car. At the first part of the hurricane, this, guys, I'm gonna tell you. You start blow, you see me? Yeah, man, it start blow, man. But out here, same viewers, try to give you guys as much footage before actually lock down, don't it? Yeah. Out here, same guys. Those holes in the house stuck there, they are loose. Don't know how the owner put something on them. Them go blow away now, guys. Them go blow away. Meanwhile, you guys are watching, just give the video a thumbs up, guys. Yeah, man. That thumbs up. As I was saying, it's the early days of the storm, though. Yeah. Outside, same here, guys. Stick and stay. Yeah, man, like up the video. Like up the video, guys. Like up the video so the video can spread, though. Woo! Outside. Blowing. Get inside. Get inside. Yes, guys, outside, still outside. Guys, viewers, the big tree where it hang over the car. See it? Blow gone. Big old tall tree blow gone, viewers. Blow gone and gully. Some limb actually pop off of the pear tree or so. Yeah, but no touch the car still. Car is okay so far. Yeah. As I was saying, guys, it's the early part of the hurricane. Yeah. Like 4 o'clock now in the evening. I'm gonna show you guys the tree for hurricane. The car is like way up there. That's the car. Right up there. That's the car. And this is the tree, guys. Rooted out. Rooted right out. Wow. Wow, guys. You can see it's a very big tree. If this should actually fell on my car, it would have been total. Yeah man, mash up viewers, it would have mash up. So viewers, see it? How big the tree is. You know how the tree just drop the right place, guys, you know? I drop on the car. Got the night. They are trying to guys some footage. As me I said, so go in my house for lockdown car. The bad part of the hurricane, so fast, you see me? I just want to give you guys some of the outdoor footage at the early part, though. Yeah man, of course. Rooted out. Woo. Rooted right out, guys. It was right here. The root was right here. So it ended up way over there. Way over there. Well, with the car, stay safe, same way. See that, guys, the pear tree all up here. All of some young pears on that tree. Catch it. Yeah, young pear, you got young pear. The car stay safe, guys. Outside. Done. Hey guys, so that big old tall cutlass tree I'm building a while ago. Cutlass tree gone. So we couldn't see it still after when I pulled up. Cutlass tree blow down, guys. Yeah, ground. That's the man. Man, blow away, man, blow away. Eh? Some must nice here, man. Some of the rubber down there. Some must live left down there. Yeah. Put rest of the pour them body come to cover right a little. Are they sweet, you know? You see, she shop and shop lock. Still outside viewers. Yeah, man. 4:30 PM now, guys. Weather is still on. Woohoo! Woohoo! Hold still. See that? Oh, man. It's raining hard now, guys. Yeah, man. 4:50 PM. It's raining hard now, guys. Raining hard now. At first, guys, it wasn't raining. It was like fair breeze. But now it starts raining. So, gotta watch. That's what's gonna happen. Don't outside. Woohoo! Outside. That coconut tree, guys, is right over the house stop. You can see that tree right there. Now let's go. Get inside, get inside. Yes, guys, 5:50 now, viewers. 5:50 PM. Yes, viewers, 5:30 PM. Yeah, man, get some coconut. Coconut tree blew down a while ago, guys. You know? Still early time of evening now, guys. Yeah, man. 5:30 PM. Get some coconut still, isn't me? Can't complain. Still early days in I storm, same way though. Proper. Woohoo! Outside. Outside, viewers. The viewers, the Rasta is down there trying to tie down a roof in the storm. Brave person though. Nice storm, viewers. Yeah, man. Still outside. Still outside, guys. Those of you who are just tuning in, we are in Montego Bay, St. James, a little village called Montero. Just 10 minutes drive from out of the town, Montego Bay town. Yeah. very early days in the hurricane season as it was. Early days yet. Raining hard now. Raining! Yes. Outside feel nice, but guys, can I lie? Wish some of you guys were outside to actually feel the breeze. Yeah man, the breeze nice guys, nice breeze, you know? Nice. And proper though. Of course. All outside. More tight, more tight. A whole bunch of viewers. Rastafari two hurricane already. Gilbert and Hurricane Ivan. I know this one though. Active. Yes guys, just give it that thumbs up guys, please and thanks. Yeah man. So that they can spread to more people. So you can really see what take place in Jamaica, you see me? Yeah. They will be up on the outside scene everyone. So watch what I go on. Look if we'll get worse, or if we'll get better. Hopefully they get better so they're not getting worse. That means everyone's early days. Not hurricane. Outside scene. Stick and stay and watch what I go on. No. Breadfruit in breakdown guys. Breadfruit up on the same way. Yeah man, link pop down. Show you what I go on guys. Breeze now go and go outside, isn't it? Up and come same way guys. Right? Rasta brave, what time? Stand up, stand up! Rasta brave, you know guys, watch it. On the breeze and low. Rasta up on the ocean. I do look at me in the middle of my life too. What on? Guys, watch what I go on. I watch it. What on? Okay viewers, top tree gone now. It's a fruit tree guys, plum. Watch out, plum tree tear down guys completely. Wow. Sour? No, it's young, very sour. Very sour guys. Gone. Tear down guys. Blowing hard now, guys, getting harder and harder. A couple trees up this upside gone. Guys, gone, blow gone. A couple of fruit trees. They are no more in existence. They are gone. One of my windows getting stronger and stronger. I have to leave them outside, you know, because they get strong now. So it's right. Okay. 6:30 p.m. now. Good evening. Getting harder and harder, everyone, harder and harder. Another update, guys. 6:25 p.m. Getting harder and harder. Guys, one of my coconut trees just blew away. One just gone, guys, gone. Gone to the wind. One of my coconut trees. Gone to the wind, guys. Getting harder and harder. Oh my God. Morning everyone. Hope everyone is doing okay. This is the morning after the impact of the hurricane, guys. Go step outside now and see how outside look. I haven't been outside from morning, so go look outside now and see what I go on. So guys, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment in the comment section. Let's go and see the damage that the storm has done outside. Hope it's not too bad though. Hope it's not too bad, guys. Let's go outside. Viewers, this is it, guys. Yeah. Couple of banana trees are down right here. Banana trees are way down right here, guys. If you guys can see, like way over there. Yeah man, enough trees blow down, see me over that side. This fruit tree, half of it is gone, or most of it is gone. Let's go on from the back and see what I'm going for the back. Fruit tree gone, guys. Breadfruit tree, root right out, viewers. Right out. Watch it. Breadfruit tree gone, guys. You guys can see like way over there. On the mountain top, most trees are down. But the homes like home them look alright, viewers. Like the top them still up on the houses them also. Guess these houses were built strong after the last past storm. People actually plan for this one, you know. And then plan for this one, viewers. Go further around for the back, guys. In this community, viewers, it's like there are mostly trees down. You know, more houses are up. You can see like one house the way across over, so viewers. When I have on the top, try zoom in. I have on no top, guys. But most of the trees, guys, most of the trees down up where I live. So go walk up on the road and see what go on the road. Most of the houses that I can see so far, guys, are, you know, the roads are still on them, so you know, so the hurricane too bother them though. Yeah. Let's go on the road, guys, and see what I go on the road. You see what put on the front now and see what I go on. See, I come back, put that shame, guys. Now pass. Now pass, guys. Get them out, that pass, go.
One side.
Guys, but most of the tree them still, guys, them still up, you know. On this side, but when on the back part, most of the tree them flat. Wow. This is where we like walk come up with the yard, but the pass is impossible, guys. Walk there and which side you walk? Walk is it?
Yeah, walk.
Walk. This fruit tree, guys, as you can see, most of them up off of the tree. You can see on the ground, viewers. Get up. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Pure Guinness. I'm telling you guys about that is in the pathway to my home. Actually got the path, guys. So I know I'll get it out. That's empty. She's down, guys, she's down. The viewers are the first from a band. This inner tree ever like bear so much. And look at it now. Flat guys, flat ground. Bear young guineps. So it goes to the know. Jarworks. Jarworks guys. Still outside though. If you guys can see piece of the house gone guys. The concrete part of the house I'm gonna build up there, blow down. Yeah. Some things that you know some guys blow up at this house same way. As I telling you guys, most of the houses I'm one of them house top strong, you see me? To the angle is strong. Yo. Strong. Jump up. Woo! Oh, dear, nice stuff, you know? Yeah, try to clear the road, guys. Try to clear the road. Yeah guys, yeah, try clear the road. Yeah man, the whole road block for the road guys.
Which side?
Yeah, and then here comes so yeah.
Oh yeah.
Block for the road guys. No. So we are carrying around because this is what I want. No style. Yes guys, we're outside. Whole community out. How about that? Outside. Stop. Body out guys, body out. Yeah man. People them out. But there man though. Active. Active man. Hey look, expect off the side road. You guys, everybody out this morning. Whole community out. Body out. That's you. Yeah. How this ballast clash. Body out this morning, guys. She dropping on the shop, guys. Yeah, man, and she dropping on the shop, guys. Body out. Well, like nice females out same way. No style. Out here. Is a signal outside? What did I go on when they stop?
Why, you know, so I tell you the truth, dog. But just relax now, because I don't know, so your man not clean, dog. So we just relax and think, you see, straight dark dive, a pre-dark dive, and more money on the channel, let's see.
Active.
Right, that's all.
Where were you when the storm was blowing?
I was sleeping, you know. It was Sun Street,
yeah.
And then it turned Weather Street. Rain more than flour. I couldn't take it anymore.
Alright, so we outside. See you, no? Outside, guys. We outside, you know? People them out. So guys, most like shop top them gone. Gone and now come back, though. Yeah. Piece of this shop side I gone see my viewers. But most of the house them around the viewers, is the house them. still have on them roof on them.
Yeah, keep them face last
Yeah man, most of them have on the roof on them viewers. Yeah, man, this shop top is okay same way. So actually I packed them viewers. Real packed them.
Yeah, wait for a second. We don't have to go.
Morning! Body out viewers, body out. Banana tree down guys. Yeah man. For this shop gone viewers, watch it. Empty. Piece of it gone, piece of the roof gone. And the whole of this roof are gone viewers. Everything gone over there. So. Everything gone. And this shop roof gone completely viewers. Gone. But most of the shop them are like square, still have on them roof viewers. Man, most of the roof still have on them. Go walk now and go down in a different community guys. Community called Bush, Moncary. Yeah, go down there and see what I go on though. Yeah. Active. Proper. Guys, the road. The road is a mess. Be a leaf in the road. Yeah. Where the pan outside active, man. Not true. Where were you when the storm was activating?
In my house.
In your house?
Kick back, I drink from and I say Selassie, I good now.
Active.
Captain Selassie, I great. Finna make the ship sink from me.
Active though.
None joke.
Yeah.
None joke.
So guys, walk good on in the lane here. See what I go on in the lane viewers. No style. Yes viewers, yeah, good on in the lane, but most of the house them, I've been telling you say slab roof. House stop there right same way. One tree drop down. Not sure. These trees are down, guys. Trees are down. Outside we still a walk same way. The man still have to call the road. The man going more down in the community. So I go on. You understand people most I see them flat same way. The man I wanna cut out the road. Outside.